Hey guys, so the country's unlock phase has begun, but I don't think the fight against coronavirus is over yet. And the cases are rising, so please stay at home as much as you can. And while you're at home, the best way to pass your time is to catch up on some good news from around the world. So here's your weekly dose of positive, wholesome, non negative, not for profit, legitimate headlines. Well, you get the point. The New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern has been hailed all over the world for the way she has dealt with the coronavirus crisis. Now she's taken another unprecedented step towards tackling period poverty, a phenomenon where girls or women are unable to access or afford menstrual hygiene products. Her government has announced that it will provide free sanitary products across the country in state schools by 2021. The New Zealand government is putting aside $1.7 million for this project and is going to be helping 95,000 girls who have to stay at home during their period. If we have to create a sustainable world, we have to go off meat and shift to plant-based products. That's the only option. In an unconventional way, Kerala is contributing to that movement. Jackfruit is gaining popularity as being the meat substitute darling for the vegans and vegetarians across the West. Shredded jackfruit has become a popular alternative to pulled pork and is also being used as pizza toppings. India, that is the biggest producer of jackfruit, is capitalizing on its growing popularity as a superfood meat alternative. It would be great to see Indians adopt this plant-based option as well because it would help us save the planet. The pandemic has changed a lot of things we used to do without thinking. It has reduced the number of times we eat out, resulted into cleaner air, and even increased our awareness about sanitation. Now, a Corona cooking survey has revealed how people's eating habits have changed during the lockdown. According to it, people are eating healthier, cooking their own food, and consuming more fruits and vegetables. The survey revealed that 11,000 people in 11 countries have reduced their purchase of microwave processed food along with sweet and salty snacks. It's great to see that everybody is going healthy. In what is great news for students, climate change education is coming to New Jersey classrooms. All public schools in New Jersey are required to put climate change as a part of their curriculum from kindergarten to 12th grade. And with this, New Jersey becomes the first state in US to take this decision. Additionally, each school in the state will have the flexibility to decide what is the best way to teach the students and address climate change. I really hope this curriculum is adopted by schools all over the world because it's high time we start teaching young kids the importance of taking care of the earth. Taking another giant step towards sustainable packaging, a number of global corporations have backed and supported a project that is aimed at producing plant-based biodegradable bottles by 2023. The Paper Bottle Project, as it is called, has been backed by Coca-Cola, Carlsberg and L'Oreal along with several other big companies. The project aims to use plant sugars to develop a more eco-friendly plastic than those made with fossil fuels. This plant-based polymer is 100% recyclable and therefore will decompose faster than the plastic bottles. If left in a composter, they will decompose by 1 year, and if left in the natural environment, they will decompose in 3 years. Well, that's it for this week, folks. If you know of any other positive headlines that you think we've missed out on, please put them in the comment section below. Also, do share this with as many people as possible because everyone could use a little positivity right now. I'm gonna go wash my hands again. Stay safe, stay clean, and watch out for another episode of Good News with Binge Daily every Monday. Ashna out!
Thanks for watching Binge Daily. Be sure to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.